I'm pulling out the silk, the heavy velvet dress smells like mothballs and your stale breath. My skin is turning white, a doll left in the rain. Rust on my fingers, scars on the porcelain. Watch me unfasten the hooks in my spine. I am a paper bird burning in the sky. I am finally thin, I am finally light. The roses are all dry, brown petals on the floor. You locked the nursery and ate the heavy key. But I am leaking out through the cracks in the wood, texture in the dirt, tasting something good. Watch me unfast the hooks in my spine. I am a paper bird burning in the sky. I am finally thin, I am finally light. I wasn't your saint, I was just your scab, and I'm picking myself off until I finally